Hey guys, Lens here, and if you experience a overheating problem with your iPhone device, I am going to show you how you can resolve that issue. There are also times when we can experience a overheating issue while charging our iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can resolve this. To be honest with you guys, this can simply be resolved by restoring our device, and we need to do this using iTunes. So I am going to hook the phone up. So in doing this, you want to take your iPhone, you want to plug in the charger while holding the home button. So I'm going to do that right now. You want to hold here while plugging in the charger. So the device is now in the iTunes mode, and all we have to do here is to restore the device. All we have to do to fix this overheating issue is to restore the device, as there are potential problems that can occur. Even a battery replacement can cause your device to overheat, and this happened before, and I am going to show you how you can resolve this. It will work for any one of the iPhone if you're experiencing overheating while charging your device. So when you hook this mode up, you plug in your charger while holding the home button, you will see this here showing on your screen. You will need to download iTunes. I recommend the latest version, and at times it will ask for the phone to update to the latest iOS. So all you have to do is to restore your device, and bam, and we can restore and update. After doing this, your device will be working perfectly and also be charging perfectly. Make sure to restore your device if you're experiencing any overheating issues, especially while charging. It is highly recommendable. So I hope that this video was helpful, and if it helped you, you can also comment below, let me know what's happening, and also hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel guys. My name is Lens, and I'll see you in the next one. So that's how you fix your overheating issues with your iPhone devices while charging. All you have to do is to do a restore using iTunes. That will fix the wear and tear in your iOS system that will cause your phone to overheat. So that's it guys, I'm out.